Good morning folks, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm at Chikkamagalur Golf Club. This is the place we stayed for the past couple of days. Beautiful place, excellent food, good hospitality. It's overlooking all the hills. That's my ride for today, for the trip. The Honda Africa Twin. So right now I'm heading to Madikeri from here. It's about 150 kilometers, so it should take about 2.5-3 hours to reach. See you on the way. Well, that's the hills around. Beautiful, beautiful place to stay. Very close to Mulangiri and Baba Pudangiri. It's not in town, it's about 5-6 kilometers away from the city. I think it's about 10 kilometers away. Well, this is a Chikkamagalur Kere, beautiful lake, just on the outskirts of Chikkamagalur. Beautiful sunny weather today, no clouds, no rain. Doesn't feel like it's winter. Fishermen catching fishes early morning. Well, welcome back to day 3 of my ride. Like I told you earlier, I'm heading to Madikeri from here. My sister's got an estate in Madikeri. This is the first time I'm going there by bike. Generally drive down, and it's a steep climb, lots of off-roading. That's why I was always apprehensive to ride alone. Let's see how it goes today. Before that, going to stop over at Sakleshpur for a couple of waterfalls, and then Madikeri I'm going to do one more off-roading before getting back home. Let's see how things go. Well, this is all part of the lake, same lake. It's a massive lake. I think it's got split up over the years with farming in between the lake. Otherwise it's like kilometers of this lake. Wow. Safe point. Well, that was the Chikkamagalur Lake, the mighty Chikkamagalur Lake on the drone. Hope you liked it. And if you do like my content, don't forget to subscribe. Belur Kere, Belur. Right now I'm in near to Belur. Beautiful, beautiful Belur Kere. And they made an island right in the middle. Very well maintained. I think this one supplies water, drinking water for the Belur city. Well, there's a beautiful stretch of road from Belur to Sakleshpur. Very scenic and hardly any traffic. I love all these internal routes rather than straight 4-lane highways. These roads connect you with nature. You get to see a lot more things. They're not too popular, especially for people in cars. They won't really enjoy. For bikers, it's like the perfect roads. Well, we're in some kind of forest area, pretty thick forest. As we're heading towards Madikeri. Some beautiful roads through coffee estates of Sakleshpur. Just entered Hasan district, so Sakleshpur coffee estates from Chikkamagalur district. Then Sakleshpur is a very scenic district. So first place today, I'm heading out to a waterfall in Sakleshpur. Not sure how it's going to be. Let's see. The weather has changed from Chikkamagalur to Sakleshpur side. It's become much more cloudy and very cold. Lot of ponds around, water bodies everywhere. It says I have to take a left here. Here. Similar ETAs straight also. That looked like a small road. So let's take the straight road. One more nice water body. Looks like more like a rainwater harvesting place. Those are the peaks of Sakleshpur. All the Hosali Betta, Patla Betta, and all those peaks you can see from here. It's a range of mountains. But those are complete off-road places, so I'm not exploring them. I don't have too much time. Tomorrow I'm heading back to Bangalore. I'm stopping over at thru for a breakfast organized by Honda. I'm meeting everybody there, and then from there straight back to Bangalore. Been 4 days on the road. I mean, tomorrow will be the 4th day. So need to get back home to got some work. Well, I just took a left from Sakleshpur and heading towards Madikeri. Time right now it's 9:10 in the morning. Hope to reach Madikeri by 11:10 I think. To that falls and hill and then head towards my sister's place. For some reason my engine light is coming on. I hope there's no major issue with the bike. I checked a couple of times off the bike and checked, still the light is on. Anyway, tomorrow I'm meeting the Honda guys at the thru. It's not too far from Madikeri. Beautiful roads, twisties, lot of good scenes around, like a valley, mountains and valleys. Every district in Karnataka has a different look and feel and different experience. So this is again going to take me to Bisle Ghats road, the same route I came a couple of days back. But anyway, it's a very scenic route and hardly anybody is there. No traffic, absolutely no vehicles. Beautiful to ride. Well, I'm back on Bisle Ghat. Was here a couple of days back to see the Bisle viewpoint, but it was very cloudy. Somehow fate got me back on Bisle Ghat when I was heading to Madikeri. Didn't realize it's the same route I have to take again. And today the skies look super clear. Hope to get a glimpse of that viewpoint. Let's see how it is when we reach there. The weather seems cool, so hope it won't change. The weather is getting hot, cold from morning. That's the end of episode 4. You can catch all my adventures in the episode 5 from here to Madikeri. So do stay tuned until next time. Well, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and do like my Facebook fan page, which is also Djmahaneet. Well, if you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel on YouTube. That's Mahaneet, and do hit the bell icon to get the latest updates on all my videos. Cheers, adios.